This is a channel called Nerd Out, and they make these gaming music videos that have gotten hundreds of millions of views altogether. The Nerd Out channel gets 4 million views a month, and with a $10 RPM, that would mean that they're making $40,000 a month from this one channel, which is much more than $1,000 a day. Here's a channel called Hampy that makes AI music videos of US presidents. Now this channel isn't a good example, but they've only posted 6 long-form videos with thousands and thousands of views, and the channel has over 100,000 subscribers. Imagine if they continued posting these videos over and over again. Imagine how big that channel could be right now. If the Hampy YouTube channel was consistently uploading, they'd probably be getting 1 to 2 million views a month right now, or $10,000 to $20,000 every single month. In this video, you're going to discover how to generate entire YouTube channels like this completely with AI, to the point where you could be making one of these funny music videos every single day, and you'll be able to do it completely faceless. And no, you don't need a recording studio. You don't need to know how to sing. In fact, you can just do this all with AI, and it's much more easier than you imagine. Let's begin. Starting off on ChatGPT, which you guys know is free, we're gonna ask it to make us a list of names for our channel. So I'm gonna type in, make me a list of names for a gaming music video channel. Obviously, this entire video isn't just limited to gaming music videos. You could do a channel like Hampy that did comedic politics videos. It doesn't really matter. I'm just doing gaming for the example. So now I'm gonna hit on this arrow right here. And now ChatGPT has made me a list of names for my channel. So Game Sound Galaxy, Adventure Audio, Game Wave Beats, Synth Quest, Game Track Vibes. And I really like these two right here. I like Bit Blast, just the Bit Blast part, and the Pixel Tune part right here. So let's say this channel I'm starting is going to be called Pixel Tune. Well, now with Pixel Tune, we have to make the logo and we have to make the watermark. Switching over to the Midjourney bot, which is an app on Discord. It's only $10 a month, but it's one of the best image generators on the entire internet. What you're gonna want to do is go over here and type in /imagine. Now I'm gonna write in the prompt for my profile picture. So I'm gonna write a gaming music video YouTube channel profile picture, high quality, and then there we go. Just hit on enter. Now, as you guys can see, Midjourney has created me a profile picture for this channel right here, and I could use this one right here. So I'm going to press on upscale 3 because this is 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to press on upscale 3 right there, and now my profile picture. And now I actually have to make my watermark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do /imagine, and then I'm going to write a gaming music video YouTube channel logo. And then I'm going to write cartoon logo, gaming music themed, and then high quality. There we go. Now Midjourney has made me 4 logos, and I can redo these if I want right here or get any variations, but I really like this 4th one right here, so I'm gonna upscale 4. Now what I'm actually gonna do next is press on this image and then save the image, because we're actually gonna add some text to it right now. Using a site called Canva, I'm gonna go over to logo right here and press on create blank. Now I'm gonna actually press on this color right here and change it to green. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna make it a very, very green screen type green right there. Then I'm gonna go to uploads and upload my image. Once my image is uploaded, I'm gonna press on it, and I'm gonna press on edit image, and then I'm gonna press on background remover right here, and it's gonna use AI to remove the background. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go over to text right here and press on add a heading, and I'm gonna type in the name of my channel. So I'm gonna type in pixel for this part, change that to white, and I'm gonna press on this and change the font as well to something more funny. So I like this one right here. And I'm gonna press on effects, and I'm gonna add an outline to that as well. I'm gonna make that black. And I'm actually gonna make this a little bit smaller too, so that it fits right here. Then I'm gonna copy this and then paste it right here, and I'm gonna change that to tunes. The reason why I copied it is so I can adjust them around and make it look good. And that's gonna be my watermark right there. I'm gonna press on share, then go down to download. Now also make sure you press on transparent background right here before you press download. We finished the watermark, but now we're gonna get into actually making the video. So using a software called TubeMagic, which is a library of AI tools that you can use to help supercharge your YouTube channel, we're gonna specifically press on the keyword research tool right here. And on the keyword research tool, we're gonna type in our niche or something related to it that we wanna make a video about. So for this example, I'm gonna type in gaming. Now TubeMagic is giving me a list of keywords directly from the YouTube API, and it shows me how much searches it's getting per month, the competition score, score, and then an overall magic score. And I can simply filter by this overall magic score. And I can even be a little bit more specific with the game. So let me type in Minecraft, for example. So now with Minecraft, I'm gonna make the search volume as high as possible right here, and I'm gonna look at the very top search volume things. Minecraft mods, for example, gets 1.2 million searches a month. Hypixel Skyblock gets 1 million searches a month. Minecraft Survival gets 600,000 searches a month. Minecraft Mod, another 500,000. Minecraft Speedrun is getting a little under 500,000 searches a month as well. So these are all good video ideas that you can make for your music video channel from keywords that are getting millions of searches a month on YouTube through the API that don't have any music videos made about them just yet. Now, another tool on TubeMagic is the video ideas tool right here. And on the video ideas tool, you can simply put in the name of a channel. So I'm gonna put in a winning channel within my niche. So I'm gonna do Nerd Out. And I'm gonna hit on enter. Now, TubeMagic is looking at the video ideas on that channel. You input it in, one that's already winning within your niche, and using AI, it's generating you unlimited, unique, viral-worthy video ideas just like that. And you can keep on hitting generate again and make new video ideas. Coincidentally, these first two ideas are Minecraft rap battle, Steve vs. Herobrine, Minecraft versus Roblox rap battle, Valorant showdown. These are all viral-worthy video ideas based off a channel that already has winning videos within the gaming music video niche. The Legend of Zelda Tears of Kingdom song. And I could just keep on hitting generate again and make me a bunch of video ideas. I can make 20 video ideas in less than a couple of minutes, which usually would take people a day to come up with that many video ideas. Now, obviously, TubeMagic has a bunch more AI tools that I really want to show you. In fact, we haven't gotten into the most important tool that increases the chances of your video going viral. And if you guys want to get TubeMagic for an entire week, you can do that for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. But we'll get back to TubeMagic in just a second. We're going to go to our next software, which is Suno. Now, Suno is a software that will make music entirely for you. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to create right here, and then we're going to write in what we want as our song. So for example, we're doing Minecraft. So I'm gonna write a funny pop song about Minecraft, and I'm gonna hit on create right here. And now Suno is making me two songs related to what I put in for my prompt, which is Minecraft, and it should be ready in literally seconds. So let's hear how this sounds right here.
Digging dirt, stacking high. Creepers near, I don't lie. Gonna build in the night. Torchlight shining so bright. Zombie hordes fear my blade.
So as you can see, that actually sounds like a real pop song, and it's made entirely with AI, and it's generated me two of them. So let's listen to the other one as well. Now, you're not only limited to this. You can make any type of music with Suno. Rock, rap, country music, even gospel, any type of genre you can make with Suno. And there's even a custom mode right here that you can switch on if you want to write your own lyrics, and it'll make a song around your lyrics. So let me make one, for example. I'm going to write, subscribe to TubeMagic. You will discover how to use AI softwares to go viral on YouTube. Yeah, TubeMagic is the best. Subscribe for more videos, just like that. And I'm gonna put in the style of music. I'm gonna put in, let's put in gospel right there. And I'm gonna hit on create right now. And now it's going to make me an entire song based on my lyrics. So if you guys want a more hands-on control on your music and write the lyrics yourself, you can easily do that. But let's listen to how this sounds.
Subscribe to TubeMagic. You will discover how to use AI softwares to go viral on YouTube. Yeah. TubeMagic is the best. Subscribe for more videos.
So there you go, it's made a gospel song based on my lyrics that I put in, and I can put anything I want there. But as for right now, I really like this song right here, so I'm gonna press on these three dots, and I'm gonna press on download as MP3 audio. And now we're gonna turn that song into an actual music video with AI. But before I get into that, I've noticed a lot of you guys have been asking for free one-on-one trainings with you guys. There's nothing I like more than seeing you guys succeed with YouTube. But the issue is there's a lot of you guys asking and I don't have enough time to do one-on-one trainings with everyone. So I actually came up with a solution. We at TubeMagic are actually hosting a completely free live training where you're going to discover how to potentially 10x the growth on your YouTube channel with AI secrets. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to get in, but the only catch is there's a limited amount of people that are allowed to get in, but you can secure your spot right now by pressing on the link in the description below and discovering how to 10x the growth on your YouTube channel in our free live training. Now we have to find some visuals for your music video. And what I like to do is I like to simply type in Minecraft free to use gameplay or whatever you would like to use. And I go through and I find free to use gameplay just like this. Minecraft gameplay, no copyright, free to use. And that's a playlist. And here we go. This is 18 minutes of someone playing Minecraft that I can download and use for my music video. Now switching to an AI video editor called Veed, I'm gonna go in and press on create a new project right here. Once I've created the project, I'm gonna go through and upload my song and then any visuals that I downloaded. Now while my visuals are loading in, I'm gonna go ahead and press on subtitles right here, and instead of pressing the full project, I'm gonna press specifically on my song right there and then press on auto subtitle in English. Now Veed is generating subtitles for my entire video using AI, and once it's finished, I'm just gonna go through and check it with my lyrics to make sure it's all correct. I can also go through and select specific types of fonts that I would like to do, but I like this one right here. So I'm gonna use this font, and I'm gonna press on edit right here, and then go through the lyrics and make sure it's all correct with my Suno lyrics. Now once I'm finished with the subtitles, I'm gonna go through and make sure to match up this footage with my song. So I'm gonna go through right now. Now I'm matching my videos right here, but what I can also do is go over to media, and I can go down to stock videos right here and add those if those make sense. I can also go over to elements, and I can add emojis, I can add GIFs if it makes sense. Like let me go to the GIF and type in Minecraft. I'm gonna put in this GIF, for example, right here, and then toss that at the beginning right there. I'm gonna extend that all the way and play it.
Torchlight shining so bright. Zombie hordes fear my play.
Now another way to make visuals is you can go back to Midjourney, and going to Midjourney I can simply type in /imagine, and we're gonna do zombie hordes. So I'm gonna type in Minecraft zombie hordes surrounding a Minecraft Steve player, Minecraft gameplay, Minecraft landscape, and then I'm going to add double hyphen AR for aspect ratio, and then 16:9 so that it fits the video's format size. And I'm gonna hit on enter. Now Midjourney has made my visuals, and I can always retype it and try different prompts, or I can refresh it or do variants of specific ones. But honestly, this third one, I really like that, so I'm gonna upscale 3. And then I'm going to save this image and put it in my video. There we go, now my image is here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press on animations right here, and I'm gonna put in Ken Burns in, and I'll make that very, very slow, so that's just slow zoom in. So I'm gonna do about 6 seconds, and we're gonna press play.
Zombie hordes fear my play.
There we go. So just using those, you can go through an entire video and add visuals to it. Now after doing my visuals for a little bit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to elements, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to sound waves and press on one of them. I'm gonna make sure my sound wave is behind my subtitles right here. I'm gonna extend it just like that, and then now there's gonna be a sound wave playing from my video.
I've made diamond pick never fades. In this game I've got it made.
Then I'm just gonna move the sound wave, make it a little bit smaller, and put it right behind my subtitles, just like that. I can even go through and change the style. Maybe I'll like this one a little bit more, so I can lower that down if I wanted to, like that.
Digging dirt, stacking high. Creepers near, I don't like.
Now that we've added that, the next thing we're gonna do is add our watermark we made earlier. So now I'm gonna go up to media right here. I'm gonna upload my watermark. There we go. So now we have our watermark, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this at the very top right here. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, just like that. And then we're gonna make this a little bit transparent. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna lower it down to, let's say, about 60%. like that. And then we're gonna extend that throughout our entire video. Now at this point, your video should be finished, but there's more stuff that you can add if you just wanna add that little extra bit to make your video really, really good. For example, you can go down to filters right here and then add some effects like right here to your video, to specific clips, add a fisheye lens, a television lens. You can press on one of your videos and hit on adjust the brightness, adjust the contrast, whatever you think looks good. However, once you're finished, you're gonna go over here, press on done, and then you're gonna press on export video. And now Veed is going to render your video and it'll be ready to download in a couple minutes. And here's how the finished video is going to look.
Digging dirt, stacking high. Creepers near, I don't lie. Gonna build in the night. Torchlight shining so bright. Zombie hordes fear my blade. Redstone circuits I've made. Diamond pick never fades. In this game I've got it made. Crafting worlds in my room. Blocky skies, blocky moons.
Now for a very important tool from TubeMagic, we're gonna go back to the main tool page and we're gonna go down to this white tool right here called the Warp Upload tool. And then we're gonna press on content. You can also just put in your video URL, but in most cases, because it's a music video, it has trouble understanding what it is. But we're gonna press on content right here and we're gonna add some context about our video. So I'm gonna write a music video about Minecraft. I'm gonna do about playing Minecraft. And I'm gonna hit on generate just like that. And now TubeMagic is making me a title, description, and tags based on viral optimization from videos with millions of views that have amazing optimization on their videos. So as you can see, it made me titles, description, and tags based on viral keywords. So as you can see, Minecraft music, gaming songs, video game music, Minecraft soundtrack. All I have to do is simply copy this and I could paste it in my video. And then your video is ready to upload, but the one thing you will need is a good thumbnail. But thankfully, I got you guys covered with your viral thumbnails. If you want to learn how to generate amazing thumbnails in all sorts of niches, I show you guys exactly how to do that in this video right here, where you can do it with just Discord, making yourself a viral thumbnail.